So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a simple banana bread recipe. Actually, I've tried a lot of recipes, but I'm going to tweak it again. I want to try a different kind of version this time. So watch my mistakes, watch my tips on how to do a good banana bread. First things first, we don't want this kind of bananas in our banana bread. The more we don't want this kind of bananas in our banana bread. We want something more dark, more rotten. We want something more sweet, naturally sweet. So I'm using this kind of bananas. It's actually frozen. I froze it when it was already overripe, so you can use it anytime for your banana bread. You want to put bananas that are this dark. So you really cannot turn this kind of bananas or even this kind of bananas to something like this. You really need time to naturally ripen it. You can actually put it in the oven or put it in the microwave, but the best way is really to wait for the bananas to overripe, right? A little bit really darker, like this dark. So for this classic banana recipe, we need half cup of butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, half cup of whole milk or sour cream, 2 cups of mashed bananas, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or you can put cinnamon, nutmeg, 1 1/2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then around 3/4 cups to 1 cup of nuts or chocolate chips. So first, in a mixing bowl with the paddle attachment, we will add our butter and brown sugar. We will also add our mashed bananas so that it can further ripen during the mixing process. We usually add this last before, but I realized that it's really nice to add it at this stage. Ta-da! So we will just steam it until it's all well combined. So if it starts to split like this, don't worry about it. It will just combine together at the end of this video. So after a few minutes, you can start adding your eggs already in the mixture. You can alternately add your dry mixture with the wet mixture. Just have to mix it first a little bit. And when it's already combined, you add a little bit of your milk or sour cream. Then mix again. And then add a little bit of flour again. And then add the rest of your milk. And then add the rest of your flour. I prefer to do it by hand during this stage because I don't want the flour flying all over the place. Then we will just have the mixer help us to do the final mixing for this batter. After mixing, we can add our cashew nuts. You can also add walnuts, other kinds of nuts, chocolate chips, but we're just going to use cashew nuts. Then just fold it in, just mix it in, and then our batter is ready. We're going to use a loaf pan. You can also, I think, use this in rectangular pans or cupcakes or muffin pans. My loaf pan is oiled. You can also flour it just to be sure. As you can see, you'll see the butter not mixed very well in this mixture. I think I should have creamed the butter and sugar first before adding the bananas. But let's see the outcome of this. I hope it's still good as I remembered it to be. So we are baking this for 190 degrees Celsius because we want that nice brown crust on top. We want that dark brown banana color to our banana bread. You'll bake this for around 1 hour so just to make sure it's fully cooked and not raw in the middle of this loaf. While I wait, I'm going to eat my breakfast first with some butter. And our banana bread is done. See how golden brown the color is because we increased the temperature of our oven. So I'll show you the inside once it cools down. We'll just wait for a bit so that we can see the interior of this banana bread. So let's slice our banana bread and see how it looks inside. You can see the cashews here. It's very soft. So the outcome of this recipe is quite oily, as you can see, because I think I should have creamed the butter and sugar first. So if you're going to do this recipe, you can cream the butter and sugar first so you won't have this oil coming out from the loaf once it's done. So let's try this banana bread recipe. The taste is good. It's not so sweet. Actually, it's also nice. It's just really oily. So if you're going to make this, make sure to cream the butter and sugar first. And let me know how it turns out. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section below what you want me to do next or how you want me to improve this recipe. Thank you and stay safe.